Today I wanted to tell you about something that you may not have heard before. I'm going to tell you about the Aleph and the Tav. Now, in most translations, when you read them, English of course I'm speaking about, you'll pretty much see, in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. I'm speaking of Genesis 1 verse 1. And you pretty much don't see anything different when you look at all other translations. But when you look at the Hebrew Bible, this is what you see. You see, Bereshit bara Elohim et hashamayim ve'et haaretz. And what that means is, in the beginning created God the heavens and the earth. But there are two things here. This word and that word, they have not been translated. Now, if God has put a word and repeated that word in the very first verse of the Bible, it must be significant. Otherwise, why is it there? This word has not been repeated, translated, and this word has not been translated. It is the Aleph and the Tav, and I've just said it's the very first repeated word. When you look at the alphabet in Hebrew, and it begins from the right and you read to the left, you see Aleph and you see Tav. You see Aleph and Tav. That is just like the English A and Z, or the Greek Alpha and Omega, or you could say the first and the last, or the beginning and the end. Well, what does it mean? The Hebrew people really don't really know what it means, so they use it as an object marker, as if to say the table or the this. But they put an extra word. It's like et the. It's sort of meaningless to them. But I believe the Aleph and Tav is, as we know, it's the Alpha and the Omega. It's language. God has given us language so that we can communicate with Him, and so that we